How's it going, guys? Today we're going to go ahead and take a look at AVG Secure VPN 2019. Now, if you want to download a free trial like I did, go to avg.com, hover over here where it says PC, and click on AVG Secure VPN for PC, and then it'll take you to this page here, and then click on this green download free trial button, and then once you download it, this is what it looks like here. It'll be in the off position like this when you first start it up. Let me turn it off first. Alright, so basically without a VPN, any website can see where you're at and steal your information and sell it to other people. With this, you're able to protect your identity and protect yourself. I like how AVG made it so simple. All you do is just press this button and boom, right away it turns on. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I live in New Mexico, so Phoenix, Arizona, the state right next to it, is I think is the optimal location, as it says here. So is this protected? But let's test it out. Let's see if it's true. Let's see if we actually are being seen as being in Phoenix. We're gonna go to whatismyipaddress.com and skip all this crazy ads and stuff. Let's go ahead and refresh the page here. It should tell us that we're in Phoenix. As you can tell, I already done this test before. Cool. So it's showing that we're in Chandler, Arizona. So it's working. It's actually working. So it works pretty good. That's awesome. Let's take a look here. You can actually change your location down here. So we're going to go ahead and change it. Let's go ahead and change to Australia here, just so we can test it. It does say it's going to turn off your VPN for a few seconds. So, if you have any active downloads, it'll interrupt them. So careful not to change location if you have downloads going on. We're going to change location to Australia. Alright. And then we'll test it over here on the whatismyipaddress.com, see if it changed. Turning it on. It's turning on, it's turning on. And cool. Alright, we're in Australia now. Let's go ahead and refresh the page. And check that out. Melbourne, Australia, just like it says here. That is awesome. Let's try one more location. Let's try a crazy one. Let's go to freaking Africa. It only lets you go to South Africa, huh? Middle East. Let's go to Turkey. Istanbul, Turkey. This is a crazy one. So we'll go to Turkey. It's going, it's going. Turkey, that's a crazy place right there. I bet you if you use the internet, it'll probably be blocked and everything. Alright, it's loading, it's loading. Alright, cool. We're in. Let's go ahead and refresh what is my IP address and see if it picks it up as Turkey. It's taking a while. It's kind of slow. Well, I'm not surprised going across the globe like that. Come on, load, load. It's kind of slow. I don't recommend using places like that are really far away. So we're having an issue actually loading web pages using a very far off location here. So if you're going to use a very far off location, this might happen to you. So what I recommend is you stick to the optimal location that they have for you. Stick there and you'll be fine. So we just switched back to the optimal location, and as you could tell, it's working pretty good again. So that's it. That's all there is. Just a button and change optimal location, change location here. That is awesome. I like this. I like AVG Secure VPN. It's really simple. I like the button that you can just turn on real quick and change locations. Very simple, one of the most simple VPNs that I've seen out there. I really recommend it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon in one of my next videos.